here, please.
Okay.
Number 7.
Yes. This was a paper about Haskap, or Japanese blue honeysuckle. The writing was quite logical and easy to follow. Where I would have made it even easier to follow was to separate out the 3 different trials so that the reader could first understand each of the individual trials and then what the results for those individual trials were. Then at the final end, have a conclusion where you compare those. So just putting a little bit more structure into the details about the research. I also realized that where it was taken from is quite a short paper, so probably it would be very difficult to write a longer abstract, but some more details would have been an advantage as well. Thank you.
Thank you. First name, please.
So I realized that the lecture is from a very short paper, so I cannot ask Leo to give more detail about the program and the research topic. So
Okay. He was needed more text. I know it's a short paper, but still thinking to try to learn some more in the results. Okay. All right.